let's start writing the script. Hey there, camera enthusiasts and photographers. If you're tired of carrying around bulky cameras and missing out on those perfect shot opportunities, then keep watching because today we're reviewing the Canon PowerShot V10. But here's what surprised me when I first laid eyes on this camera. It's a game changer. Therefore, if you're still unsure whether or not to invest in this amazing device, let's dive in and explore its features and see if it really lives up to the hype. For the best price, click the link in the description. Now I know what you're thinking. Is the Canon PowerShot V10 worth my hard-earned cash? Well, let me tell you, this camera is not just any ordinary point-and-shoot. It's a beast of a device packed with features that will make your photography sessions a breeze. But there's one thing that sets it apart from its competitors: its incredible 20-megapixel sensor. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can capture stunning images with precision and detail, then the Canon PowerShot V10 is definitely worth considering. Now, let's get into some of the nitty-gritty details. The camera has a 5x optical zoom, which allows you to capture those far-off shots without having to sacrifice any image quality. Therefore, whether you're shooting wildlife or landscapes, this camera has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The Canon PowerShot V10 also features an incredible ISO range of up to 12,800. Therefore, if you're planning on taking photos in low-light conditions, then this camera is your best bet. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is this camera only for beginners? Absolutely not. The Canon PowerShot V10 has a range of advanced features that will appeal to seasoned photographers as well. Therefore, whether you're a pro or an amateur, this camera has something for everyone. But what really got me excited about the Canon PowerShot V10 was its incredible battery life. Therefore, if you're planning on taking your camera out for extended periods, then you won't have to worry about running out of juice anytime soon. And let's be real here, who doesn't love a good selfie? The Canon PowerShot V10 has a range of features that make it perfect for capturing those perfect selfies. Therefore, whether you're looking for a camera for travel or just want something easy to use at home, the Canon PowerShot V10 is an excellent choice. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what some other reviewers have said about this amazing camera. And as always, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because we're not done yet. Therefore, if you want to get your hands on the Canon PowerShot V10 without breaking the bank, click the link in the description. Now, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of this camera. As I mentioned earlier, one of its major advantages is its incredible 20-megapixel sensor. But there are also some downsides to consider, such as the lack of an external microphone jack and the slow autofocus speed in certain situations. But don't let that scare you off just yet. The Canon PowerShot V10 still manages to deliver outstanding image quality, even in low-light conditions. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can handle anything life throws at it, then this is your best bet. And let's not forget about the price, which I think is pretty reasonable considering all the features you get. Therefore, if you want to save some cash without sacrificing any image quality, click the link in the description and get yourself the Canon PowerShot V10 today. In conclusion, the Canon PowerShot V10 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed camera. Therefore, whether you're a pro or just starting out, this device has something for everyone. But before we go, let's answer some of your burning questions, such as, is this camera waterproof? And can I use it for video recording? And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching our review of the Canon PowerShot V10. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest reviews and tech news. As always, make sure to check out the link in the description below if you want to get your hands on this amazing camera without breaking the bank. And remember, don't waste your money on a mediocre camera when you can have one of the best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.